Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move step across. Obviously it's going to be advantageous if you already know how to do a first move and a step across. Both beginner moves, links in the description below in case you've missed them so you can catch up. But for those of you who are ready, let's get on. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break that down. It starts exactly like a first move. So we go back and in. The twist out's where the change happens. So we twist the ladies out. While the ladies are twisting out, guys, we are taking a step forwards across in front of the lady, lifting the left hand. We're going to pull with the right to start lady moving forwards. Get the back leg, whichever one that is, out of the way. As that hand goes over the head, you're now doing the archway section of your step across, and then it just finishes as a step across. Pull down and face, return the lady, and back. Let's do that from the other side, give you another view. And let's think about the numbers. We go back on 1, in on 2, cut across the lady and lift the hand a little to start the section where we're going to go through the archway. 3, going through the archway. 4, pull down and face. 5, returning. 6 and back. 7. So let's try it to a count together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a first move step across. We go back, in, across, under, look, return and back. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell. It'll mean you know every time a new video comes out, and it helps us promote dancing and grow the channel, which is much appreciated on our part. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.